We are witnessing the beginning of a massive systemic collapse. In the coming hours, the U.S. government is heading toward a shutdown, and the first bank of 2026 has officially failed. The signs of failure are everywhere. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has issued a dire warning to member states, stating that the UN is facing an imminent financial collapse. At the same time, New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani announced that the city is in a financial crisis comparable to the 2008 Great Recession. When the world's most prominent institutions admit they are running out of money, we must realize that the old paradigm is over. The FDIC has officially announced the failure of Metropolitan Capital Bank and Trust, based in Chicago. Following the pattern set during the 2023 crisis, the bank was not nationalized but forced into a merger with First Independence Bank. Interestingly, there is a recurring theme of banks with the word first in their names, failing a suspicious coincidence in the American banking sector. This is just the first link in a new chain of collapses for 2026. The recent crash in gold and silver prices was not due to a drop in demand, it was a midnight operation by the CME. By hiking margin requirements, they forced leveraged traders into massive sell-offs to cover their positions. This is pure market manipulation. Meanwhile, in China, the JWR Group gold platform has collapsed, leaving 22,000 investors unable to withdraw $1.4 billion in assets. This is the danger of paper gold. If you don't hold it physically, you don't own it. Exit the system before it's too late. The world is sitting on an atomic bomb of geopolitics. Iran is beginning live-fire naval drills in the Strait of Hormuz. This is a clear signal that they can close the world's most vital oil artery at any moment. With the USS Abraham Lincoln carrier nearby and the U.S. government shutting down, the risk of a kamikaze move by the regional powers is at an all-time high. From the streets of San Francisco to the heart of France, civil unrest is exploding. In France, we see firefighters clashing with police. In Syria, the ceasefire is ending, sparking massive protests in Turkey and Iraq. Society is reaching a breaking point. Whether it is the spike in layoff searches on Google Trends or the collapse of century-old institutions, the message is clear. The financial and geopolitical system is paralyzed. We are entering a very dangerous phase. Stay vigilant, protect your physical assets, and prepare for what's coming next. Until the next video, stay safe. Goodbye.